Card? Okay.
Hello, my name is Cameron Card. I'm a student here at Norco College. I'm a freshman. I major in economics and political science. Today we went over a few things, and I really enjoyed this presentation that was brought to us, especially coming from another black man. We don't really have a lot of motivational speakers here at Norco College that are normally from the same cloth as me. So it's always great to see that. I 100% recommend this because he is someone who can relate to people on a whole nother level, because he speaks about things that he's been through, and he speaks about his past and friends that he may have had that he know he shouldn't have had been friends with. So it's a motivational speech, but on a whole nother level, because he's relating to you. He's not just telling you that you should do better. He's saying this was me and this is me now, and it's because I've done better. We spoke on mindset. I feel like that was the number one takeaway for me, because um, with mindset, you're able to do so many things, but then it can also limit you. And him explaining that to a lot of people today, I hope that people were able to take that away and feel like they can do better. Because without the correct mindset, then you're just going to be just another person in this big world, which is something that I don't want to do. So I really appreciate this amazing day, and I definitely recommend this, especially for all the young black scholars out there. This is amazing. So thank you so much for coming today.